Good morning again guys. Going ta sa Binkal kay Brigada Square.
Meanwhile,
Oh guys, taga-Mart.
an eternity later.
Hello. Kira? So sa wala pa nagpaabot pa ta sa atong mga Martin's F nga mobalik sila sa lang parade mag-picture taking sa ta. So, would like to request also Ma'am Elmi to please come here for our picture taking. And also Ma'am Janice Limukon, please come here for our Lisa. Come here
Go nga, English
on
speaking man.
stage. I hope that our visitors, invited guests will be here before we start our program. We are supposed to start at 7:30, but what is the time now? We are now, our time is, some time check na to, 8:04 in the morning. Okay,
Yan na, sir,
the time
buntag yan
again. I am like,
Labaw di po ni Day. Mo ko di. Apilo na to. Shout out, shout out.
Ay, bagus ka. Gak ada istilah pun. Ah? Itu yung pusero. Ako rin may pupus.
Namalit pi basa. Oh. Oh.
Lahat bisa.
Wala.
A few moments later.
Ita kung siyang ako, kubaluan, inang ako. Kinalang siya na sila. It composes of 8 letters and you are going to form it into one word and that word is connected with our activity today, which is the Brigada Escuela. Again, right after you assemble the word, you have to come here on stage and grab this microphone and say the word that you have assembled. Are you now ready? On the count of 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Ano na? Bayanin na. Ingon anak. Anda ko na training. Ingon anak naman na dayon. Nga naman to. Congratulations to the Team B. Bayanihan, the word is bayanihan, and that bayanihan is what we want to do today. We are going to do bayanihan. Magtinabangay ka para sa kalambuan sa atong istilahan.